Can you make a dog sound? How about a cat sound? A cow, a bird, a snake, um, an elephant. Mm, what else? A frog.
Rabbit.
What else? Dinosaur. Hmm. How about a fish? That's funny. What about a rooster? Doo-doo-doo. What about a lion? You know your sounds.